own business with unlimited income potential. Become a credit repair specialist. Are you good with money? Do you have a great credit score and want to help others do the same? While many lenders consider a good FICO score one that is above 700, the average credit score in America is between 687 and 692, depending on which source you refer to. You also have over 1/4 of Americans with a FICO score of 650 and under. So with so many Americans falling way below the threshold of what is considered a good credit score, you can clearly see that the credit repair business can lead to a very lucrative career. So if you want to venture into a career as a credit repair specialist, please click the link in the description to speak to your personal credit repair business trainer today.